If you want to view the files for each page in a Base44 project, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find them. This is a simple but useful trick when you want to understand how your project is structured or check the files behind each page without digging around too much. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Base44 project. Once you're inside the project, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots menu. This menu gives you access to extra options for the project. After that, hover over the Pages file option. When you do this, Base44 will reveal the page-related files connected to your project. This is the area where you can inspect what files belong to each page and quickly see how the project is organized. It's a fast way to locate the page files without manually searching through everything, and that's it. You've now learned how to view the files of each page in a Base44 project. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Base44 tips and tricks.